Want to drive?
Yeah, I want to drive.
Just stay in the middle.
I know.
Did you know that Caddo is actually 25,000 football fields big?
Hey, it's been a while.
You feel guilty about the accident?
She's your mom, but it wasn't your fault.
She hadn't had a seizure in 6 years.
I'm not related to any of these people.
You're my daughter, so you are a part of this family, okay?
Dear Jesus, I reckon you've been testing us with this drought here. But we know there's many folks struggling in ways greater than ours.
What are you doing? Man, why you gotta be such a scaredy cat?
Mom? She called us home? How long has she been gone?
We're gonna search the whole lake. Either somebody's taken her or she's hurt.
I can feel my mom out there.
Anna, where are you?
We got a positive ID on Anna Bennett's boat.
Her life jacket's gone.
Something's happening in that part of the lake.
Wolves don't live around here. So how could they be that far out in the water? What if the seizures are hereditary?
I ain't never had one. Till now.
This is my sister's. Tell me where you got this.